Good morning all, myself Feed Jain and it's my pleasure to represent Eternal School in front of you all. We are two in our group and my partner name is Aryan Jain. Our focal theme is Science for Sustainable Living and our sub-theme is Traditional Knowledge System for Sustainable Living. Our topic is replacing industrial sanitizer with affordable organic sanitizer. Introduction. First of all, I would like to introduce my project. As we all know that health is a very important aspect of our life. During lockdown, I feel that people better understood the role of health in our life. Seeing all the major problems regarding the health issue, we noticed that as we are adapting the modernization, consumption of chemical is increasing in our life. Ignoring that fact that it causes too much harm to our health, excessive use of this give birth to various skin diseases. As COVID-19 become a major part of our life these days, so usage of alcohol-based, aldehyde-based and gel-based sanitizer have been increased. So we come up with an alternative sanitizer which is completely organic, hence having no side effects and cost effective also. Objective. Taking this hard time as an opportunity, our main objective is to replace the industrial sanitizer which is alcohol based, aldehyde based and gel based sanitizer with homemade organic affordable sanitizer. Observation. During COVID-19 we observe that as we are adopting the modernization, consumption of chemical is increasing in our life. Industrial sanitizer were too much costly for the people who are living in remote areas. There is too much lack of good quality sanitizer at the time of lockdown. As you can see, using of alcoholic sanitizer dehydrates the skin and it also adversely reacts with the skin and give birth to various skin diseases. Survey in rural areas. When we survey, especially in rural areas, people don't know what sanitization even is. When we make them aware of sanitization, they could not afford it on daily basis. Survey in urban areas. In urban area, people are totally dependent on chemically manufactured products in sanitization, which actually harm their health in long run. As we are adopting the modernization, we are forgetting our culture, which leads to a very bad impact on our health as well as on society. Action plan. Seeing so many problems in society, we try to solve this problem in traditional, efficient and affordable manner. We also made a sanitizer, which proves to be a good solution in our all concern altogether. We also conducted some clinical trials to check whether it is effective or not. Our innovative product. As you can see, this is our innovative product named as all-purpose sanitizer. Constituents of our product are neem leaves, basil leaves, oregano leaves, aloe vera gel, camphor, alum powder, ginger and lemon juice. As you can see, all these ingredients are easily available in our surroundings. Procedure. You might be thinking what we did. First we washed all the leaves, neem leaves, basil leaves, oregano leaves and aloe vera gel. Then we boil all these leaves in 2 liters of water and we boil it until it gets 1 liter. Then strain it and keep it aside. Made it cool naturally. When it became cool, then add lemon juice, alum powder, camphor and aloe vera gel and mix it. Now it is ready to use. After making our product, we need to find whether it is working or not. So, this is the letter to Dr. Abhirar Ramchandani regarding sample testing of our all-purpose sanitizer. Lab reports. Procedure followed in lab testing. 2 samples are taken from operation theatre area. One is from uncleaned area before sanitization and one is from sanitized area using our sanitizer. When we got reports, we see that from the report of uncleaned area, 25 bacterial colonies are found and remarks are unacceptable. And from the report of sanitized area using our sanitizer, no bacterial colonies are found and remarks are acceptable. This report completely stated that our product is effective, hence having power to kill germs and bacteria. At the same day, when we give our product to sample testing, we give our product to Dr. N.C. Jain, who is a senior child specialist. And this is the letter given by him regarding that the product which we had made is having property to kill germs and bacteria and it also used in his clinic and working as a normal sanitizer. Cost analysis. As you all know that sanitizer in market which weighs around 1 liter will cost 200 to 50, sometimes more than it. Compare it with our sanitizer which price is almost negligible as the resources which we used are easily available in our surroundings. Advantages of our organic sanitizer. As it is completely organic, it is having no side effects. It is also having property to kill germs and bacteria as well as cost effective, so everyone can afford it. We target on In our project, we mainly target on people with some disabilities, people living in poverty, refugees, women and children, etc. How we can outbreak the chain? As we are repeatedly saying about sanitization of your hands. As you can see, this is the list showing the reduction of such infection by just a sanitization of your hands. Future plans. In these hard times, our main future plan is to shift the modern culture to traditional culture by some more these traditional products, which sometimes give better results than their modern rivals. Impact on society. As you all know that COVID-19 had challenged the vulnerable group of our nation. So our sanitizer will beneficial in both aspects, social aspect also and economical aspect also. Conclusion. By various authentication process and lab testing, we are able to conclude that our sanitizer is equally efficient to ethanol, propanol and formaldehyde and can be used for sanitization of operation theatre platform. So it can completely replace the industrial sanitizer and can be a cheap homemade alternative. Acknowledgement. First of all, we would like to thank our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sodamini Jhala, to support us during our project. We are also thankful to all those people who helped us during our project. A special thanks to NCSC.